Yo guys, in today's video I will show you how to add texture to an object in Blender. Click on the Material Properties tab, located on the right side of Blender interface. Inside Material Properties, double-click on Default Material and rename it. Under the Surface section, click on the Base Color. Choose Image Texture from Options. Click Open and select the image you want to use for the texture. Switch to Viewpoint Shading mode by clicking on the icon at the top right. This allows you to visualize applied texture on your object. Now press Tab on your keyboard to enter Edit mode. Press U and select Smart UV Project. Click OK. Double-click the window for clear view. Click on UV Editor in Duplicate window. In the UV Editor, switch to UV Select mode and choose Faces. Select the faces you want to map to texture onto. Move and scale. Select Faces using G for grab and S for scale. Position the UVs to align with desired part of texture. Now switch back to 3D viewport to see how texture is applied to your object. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.